Ooh, package inside the package. So here it is, my brand new belt. Wow, look at that. That looks nice. Ooh. Even comes in its own little packaging. The box is nice. Oh, this is a nice gift set you could give someone. It even comes with a hole punch to add extra holes. Neatly and professionally looking. Let's have a look at the belt. This is a reversible belt. Wow, look at that. Very well protected. The whole belt is sheathed in plastic. The belt buckle is covered. This is very cool. King's belt. Dum, dum, dum. And doesn't matter about the size, because you can lift it up and make it the perfect size for you. So that's what I really liked about getting a belt that would fit me. This belt is super cool, very well protected. As you can see, it's covered in a plastic lining. The whole belt is. So just take it out. Wow. This is beautiful, genuine leather, two-tone. So we have a lighter dark brown on this side, and this side's the black. So a darker brown and black. And the encasing here, I'll just take it off. Look at this metal buckle. Beautiful metal buckle. And to reverse, pull out and twist. Now I have the brown belt. Pull out, twist. Now I have the black belt. Super easy. To shorten the length of the belt, this piece here lifts up. There's a little hole in the back for you to slide a screwdriver or a small knife in. Lifts up slightly, pop him open. As you can see, you got the little claws. Then your belt comes out, and as you can see right there, genuine leather, 100%. You slice off the belt where you want it to be, then simply place it back in and close it up. Boom. Now you've got the belt exactly the length you want. My King's belt is brilliant, absolutely. Adjustable to the perfect size just for me. It looks and feels very rich, genuine leather, reversible. It's everything I could want.